That's it.
Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Siddharpeedam, Sri 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 Harinath Shivaraj Shiva Yogi speaking. Now I am speaking about yoga for facial glow, how it can be affected. I am going to do some asanas. First I am going to do Salabhasana. Salabhasana I will lift a leg little by little. You should not go straight away to high position. You have to little and do. Then pressure will come to face. Pressure will build up in face. You study the pressure coming to face. If it is sufficient, stop and come down. Bring the legs down. If you want to give more pressure, then keep it high. This is the position you have to do for one thing. In the same way, I will do another exercise, keeping the hand in my stomach and bend forward, inhaling some air inside, then pressure will build up to face. You watch the pressure. If it is sufficient, you remain in this position for some time and come back. Likewise, then the third is Varma points. That I will show how to do after that. Now I am doing this Salabhasana. You should do according to your requirement and capacity, okay? You keep hand like this, chin like this. Now raise leg. You raise the leg slowly. Now see my face. Yes, blood will rush to face. Even eyeballs, if the eyeballs are inside, it will be pushed outward. So the facial glow will be increased. I have recommended and taught many beauticians to do this. So the wrinkles in the face will disappear slowly. So this is needed if any lady or gents they want to clear the wrinkles on the face. If they do this asana, it can be cured. Another one, to give pressure in the face, it also builds up pressure in the face and clears the wrinkles. I am doing it now. Now keep the hands like this and keep here. Inhale somewhat 50% here and slowly come down. For me, in this stage, lot of pressure comes into this area. So I have to stop in this. Suppose if you are not building up any pressure in this area, bend further and watch the pressure. You should not exert too much pressure on the face. You do that exercise, slowly bend down, and if you this pressure is sufficient for the time being, stop with that and return to the normal position. This exercise will increase facial glow, because the facial glow is very much essential for many things in your life. Then there are acupressure points you have to activate for facial glow. For example, this point, you do hand like this, then you keep fingers like this, then keep fingers like this, then keep fingers like this, then you keep fingers for this also you do that. then facial glow will increase. These are the Varma points. This will increase energy flow in the face. That is, glow is caused because of your astral energy. If you do this exercise, the astral energy will come to your neck and above area. Then this energy will be converted to Tejas. Then only the glow will increase.